Right, I put this out in Discord yesterday. Beautiful trade setup. Had a 786 pullback on the Fibonacci. I mean, if you can get a 786 and it holds, them tend to be some of the best entries. You can get. Chances of it coming down through here pretty slim, right? Especially in an uptrend when you're making higher highs and higher lows. This thing grabbed, ended up taking a long on the break of this white line. Let me get this Fibonacci off here. There you go. We got the break at the white line here. Nice run up. Got the entry down here at about 2.7, and it's run up so far to 3.5. All right, looks like it's pushing back to the upside here. Possible bottom for now, right here. All right, and we're going to come back and take a look at this chart here in a second, see where Myro could be heading to. One thing I do want to show you guys, Margex. Okay, I've been using this site now. I love it. I bounce around a little bit. I have three main ones I use: Bit2Next, Weeks, and Margex. And you can find a link for it in the description of the video. And one thing I really like, price alerts. And these things, no other site that I use besides TradingView, has my price alerts. You can set them in there, so if you don't want to have TradingView open, you can just have this open. I always have TradingView open. I bounce back and forth, and what do I want? I want fast charts, right? I like fast charts. Trades are very important to get that perfect entry that you're looking for, and you want charts that move fast, right? These definitely work great. And another nice thing, you go over, put in your email and a password, right? I had my wife open this, so I didn't have to show my wallet. But instantly they put $50 in your account right up here, $50, your bonus balance. So that comes off of any of your trading fees instantly. You get it right away. There's no waiting or anything like that. You get it right there. Okay, so I really like it. I like it a lot. You have all your transaction history they keep in here and everything. Pretty decent site. Buy crypto, trade, convert, referrals. If you have any friends you want to refer over there, I would appreciate it if you use the link in the Discord, link in the description of the video. It definitely helps out the channel a lot. But please go check them out, man. I really like them. I like their fast charts. That's one big thing I am huge on. Is chart speed. I like that a lot. Now let's go over here. Bitcoin dominance has done a retracement, and it looks like it could be about finished. Finished for this is another one I put out yesterday. Trump, right? You can see 4 hour got the break. I got wicked out down here. I'm sure some other people over there in Discord got it. This thing is more like it's going to push up here pretty decent probably. But nice setup. Fartcoin was another one. Fartcoin turned out to be good. I got stopped in Trump. I put 4 out yesterday. But anyway, if you want to come trade with us, sign up for a level 3 membership in the description of the video. Get you a link to the Discord and 10 hours of videos to watch. We have over 170 people in there. We got a great crew. Come trade with us, man. It's success. It comes in trading with groups. A lot of the times, people trading groups have a lot better chance of succeeding than on their own. Believe it or not, that is 100% true. All right, so we would love you to have you over there. Bitcoin dominance. Look at this. I drew this the other day. This yellow right here. I drew this the other day. Totally expected a retracement. It's come up to a 618, and looks like it's getting rejected there. Right here, came back up. Perfectly normal. You get a breakdown, you get a retrace back up as resistance, and then you roll over. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that for sure. Bitcoin itself, it looks like it could be making a another move up here. We're at 1288 now. All right, this 105, 740. Pretty important. It flips that into support. You can see back over here, it made a wick up there, but failed. Right now, it has made a wick up through there, and it's trying to get up there. Okay, it looks like a possible push up. Towards about 108, right around there. Could end up heading higher than that though, but 108 right up in this area looks like to be this shorter term, next few days target. The daily RSI trying to turn back up here for Bitcoin. All right, so this thing is chugging along, doing fine. We got the total market caps of crypto, the total 2 and total 3. They're only at 50% retracement, so they have a long ways to go. This alt season kicks off, and right there could have been it, right what I showed you, with Bitcoin dominance getting rejected at that 618. The next few days for alts could turn out to be pretty big. I would expect to see them numbers starting to jump, especially with dominance rolling over. Now, Myro. Let's take a look here. This thing, man, oh man, is it going to go, guys? I'm telling you what, this is one of them ones that you really, big returns, right? When something is beat down like this, look at this thing. Let me show you on a monthly. Make it a little bit more. Look where it's at. Look where it's way down here. It's not even a quarter of the way to a 236. Right? This thing, if it runs up for a normal retracement still, this still has big opportunity. Looking at about an 8.5 to what, a 10x. All right, on a 10x leverage, $1,000, you'd be looking at turning into what, $10,000. Take a 20x and 1,000 into 20,000. Right, and this could take some time to play out. I understand that, but if I take 1,000 on 30x, then I can make 30 grand for a run up here. I'll wait that one out, and move on to other trades, and let this one run. You got that monthly RSI. Don't really have one. All right, the weekly right at the very top here. Okay, getting but down here it's not even close to oversold. It's at a 45. The daily is heading to the upside. Okay, looking good. Getting a push up here. Right here, you can see that nice bullish daily candle. Definitely want to see some volume follow through on this. Let's see what kind of volume we got going on here. All right, not a whole lot. 13.5 million so far for the day. Would like to see that pick up. Of course, it is a Sunday, so tomorrow I would definitely expect to see things start moving here. You got that 786 pullback off of over here. Previous low, right on that 786. Like I said, I put that out yesterday in Discord. I hope some people jumped all over that, because this could turn out being a good, really nice push. Now, the danger zone, correct? We got to go through that. Going to have to get through some areas here to get higher, right? That's the way it goes. And we made a push so far, just about to that 50%. Now you can see here, going to have to get up through 376. Gonna have to get through that area, and if we do, up here could be the next target area for Myro. And it could hit that tonight. I mean, this thing it's gonna make some massive moves to run up where it needs to go. For this alt season or whatever. You're gonna see it make some big moves. So we get through 376. 5 cents is the next target. Okay, you got the daily RSI heading up. Your 12-hour, boy, that's bearish candle there, huh? 12-hour is just starting up. All right, you got your 8-hour. It's still heading up. Looks fine. 4-hour. Right at the top here, but it has pulled back in. And what I really want to pay attention to here, okay, this could be the first set of 5 waves up here, because look at that. A target for this would put it right up on our is 386, okay, and what you could have going on here. Pay very close attention to that, especially if you're leverage trading, because then you could get an ABC in here. But what it looks like to me is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up into our danger zone, right? And then possibly an ABC. Just be very, very cautious once it gets up towards 3.7. 3.7. Start watching for possible rejection. And keep an eye on that. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please check out that level 3 membership. Come join us in Discord. We'd love to have you. Check Margex out for that free $50. That is definitely worth it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, everybody.